Ever seen a $1 million hypercar casually roll by while you're eating a bratwurst? Or a stripped-out track weapon screaming through the trees at full throttle? That's what makes the Nürburgring one of the best car spotting locations on Earth. It's not a car show, but it feels like one, only louder, faster, and more real. Here you don't just see dream cars, you hear and feel them too. From rare McLarens to home-built BMW drift missiles, the variety is wild. And guess what? Most of these cars are privately owned by everyday enthusiasts. That's the charm. No velvet ropes, no display stands, just raw, authentic car culture. If you're into spotting rare cars in action, this is the place for you. Stick around, because in this video we're diving into what makes Nürburgring car spotting so special, and we'll give you insider tips, jaw-dropping moments, and reasons why you need to go at least once. So, what exactly is car spotting at the Nürburgring? It's the art of hanging out near the track or in parking lots and catching insane cars as they roll by or prep to race. The Nürburgring Nordschleife, or Green Hell, is a public toll road most days, so anyone can drive on it. That means you get a mix of supercars, tuned street cars, track monsters, and everything in between. Car spotters flock to certain corners, like Brünnchen or Plansgarten, with their cameras ready. They wait for the roar of engines and the flash of exotic bodywork. Sometimes it's a Porsche GT3 RS tearing through a corner. Other times it's a van with a roll cage going flat out. You never know what you'll see next. And that unpredictability? That's what makes car spotting here addictive. It's a blend of motorsport, nature, and a scavenger hunt for the rarest machines. Let's talk about the best places around the ring to actually spot cars. Brünnchen is by far the most popular. It's nicknamed YouTube Corner for a reason. This spot offers a clear view of fast corners where drivers often push their limits. It's where many viral crash or save videos are filmed. You'll find people picnicking, filming, or just soaking in the vibes. Another great spot is Adenauer Forst, a slow corner where you can really see how cars handle. Parking areas like the Nürburgring Boulevard and Paddock are also gold mines for spotting. Here you can get close to parked cars, chat with owners, and sometimes even sit inside if you're lucky. Exiting the track's toll booth area is also great. You'll see what cars are about to go out. It's all about timing and knowing where to look. Bring a camera, a zoom lens, and some patience. You'll thank me later. So what kind of cars can you actually expect to see? Think Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens, AMG GTs, and GTRs, just for starters. But then come the rarities, Koenigsegg's, one-off builds, or Nürburgring-specific prototypes. Manufacturers often test here, so you might spot camouflaged future models. BMW and Porsche test mules are common. You'll hear them before you see them. Then there's the huge tuner scene. Think wide-body Audis, slammed Golfs, and carbon fiber everything. You'll also see dedicated track cars like Radical SR3s or Caterhams. The mix is wild. Street-legal and not-so-legal machines sharing the same space. Every car tells a story, and the people behind the wheel are often just as interesting. It's not just about what's expensive, it's about what's unique. That's what makes car spotting at the Nürburgring unlike anywhere else. The vibe at the Nürburgring is something else. It's not just about cars, it's about community. People from all over Europe and beyond come here to hang out, race, and geek out about cars. You'll find families, YouTubers, photographers, mechanics, and even tourists who stumbled into the magic. Everyone shares one thing in common, a passion for fast cars and good driving. The atmosphere is friendly, open, and welcoming. Want to know what someone's done to their car? Just ask. They'll probably show you under the hood. You'll hear multiple languages and see license plates from half of Europe. The BBQs, the camping, the smell of fuel in the air, it all adds to the experience. It feels less like a racetrack and more like a festival that never ends. Even if you're not driving, just being there feels special. It's like the mecca of car culture, without the entry fee. Now let's talk highs and lows, because not every day at the ring is perfect. The highs? Catching a Pagani Huayra BC flying by or spotting a new Porsche GT4 RS before its release. Moments like that stay with you forever. But the lows? Weather is a big one. It rains a lot, sometimes without warning. And because it's a real track, accidents happen. Seeing someone's car wreck is heartbreaking, especially after so much time and money went into it. Sometimes the track closes, temporarily, which can ruin your plans. And yeah, you might stand for hours without spotting anything cool. It happens. But when that rare unicorn finally shows up, it's all worth it. The highs feel higher because of the wait, and that mix of unpredictability is part of the game. Car spotting at the Nürburgring has become a YouTube goldmine. Some of the biggest car channels started just by filming cool laps and crashes here. Brünnchen especially is famous for turning unknown drivers and cars into viral hits. Every year, Countless fail compilations, lap battles, and exhaust sound videos pop up. Many spotters share their footage with car owners, creating a cool connection. Sometimes, manufacturers even review fan footage to study car behavior on track. So yeah, your video of a Porsche losing traction might actually be seen by Porsche engineers. You don't need fancy gear to start, just timing, a good eye, and knowing where to be. And if you're consistent, who knows? You might grow your own car spotting channel. It's the perfect blend of hobby, creativity, and adrenaline. Plus, what's better than filming exotic cars doing what they were built to do? Thinking of going for the first time? Here are some tips. First, check the Nürburgring schedule online to make sure it's open for public laps. Get there early. Parking fills up fast, especially on weekends. Wear comfy shoes and bring snacks. You'll do a lot of walking and waiting. A camera with a fast shutter and zoom lens will give you the best results. But even a phone can capture great moments if you're in the right spot. Watch for track marshals and signs. Safety is still priority. Respect the drivers and don't get too close to the track. Bring headphones if you're sound sensitive. Some cars are brutally loud, and finally be ready for anything. You never know what's coming around the next corner. That's what makes every spotting trip exciting. Some stories from Nürburgring spotting feel almost unreal. Like the time someone spotted a Bugatti Chiron on a track day, completely unexpected. Or when a group of Swedish guys brought a Volvo wagon with a V8 swap and shocked everyone. Then there's the tale of a van passing a Porsche mid-corner, legendary and real. Or the prototype Lamborghini that caught fire and spotters captured the whole thing. One guy even proposed to his girlfriend at Brunchen, mid-lap day. Spotting isn't just about cars, it's about the moments and memories. It's a place where the unexpected becomes routine. Every car that shows up adds to the ongoing story of the Nürburgring, and every spotter there becomes part of that story. You leave with more than pictures, you leave with stories to tell for life. So what makes Nürburgring car spotting so special? It's the cars, sure, but also the people, the energy, and the stories. It's about standing in a forest 1 minute and watching $1 million hypercar blast past the next. It's spontaneous, raw, and unlike anything else in the world. Whether you're into racing, photography, or just cool cars, it's a must visit. If you've been, share your experience in the comments below. And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up if you love real car culture. Subscribe for more motorsport deep dives, car spotter stories, and high-octane content. Thanks for watching, and remember, at the Nürburgring every day is a car show with no rules. See you trackside. Ever seen $1 million hypercar casually roll by while you're eating a bratwurst? Or a stripped-out track weapon screaming through the trees at full throttle? That's what makes the Nürburgring one of the best car spotting locations on Earth. It's not a car show, but it feels like one, only louder, faster, and more real. Here you don't just see dream cars, you hear and feel them too. From rare McLarens to home-built BMW drift missiles, the variety is wild. And guess what?